welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, or rather I should say today's vlog. So I love watching vlogs and I thought I should make one for my own channel. And since we all are under lockdown only, there's nothing much that I can show you, but I wanted to show you all how my day looks like. So today's Sunday, so there's nothing as such planned like what I'll be doing. I haven't planned my day at all. It would be like what I eat in a day type of a vlog, because since we are in home only, and also I have to film today, so maybe if I'm filming I'll show you behind the scenes. I'll show you all how I film, what I'm filming, and what it takes to film a video, so you'll get an idea as to how I film my videos. And yeah, if you're interested in watching how my day looks like, stay tuned and keep on watching. Hi guys, so it's 11:30 and I got up at 11 today because today is Sunday and I thought to get up late. I just take break on Sunday, so I'm waiting for my maid to come who cooks for us, and then I'll have breakfast and then let's see how the day proceeds. There's nothing planned as such. I want to take a break, but I think I may or may not take a break because I have a video to film which needs to go up tomorrow for my Instagram. So let's see how my day proceeds. Here we are completely struggling to find a good series to watch on Netflix. So my breakfast is served and today I'm having bhurji and pav. I really love it. My maid makes one of the best bhurjis. Also I eat eggs daily for my breakfast and I eat only egg white, so bhurji and pav is the best combination that I enjoy. So guys, after the breakfast, I sat down to delete some clips from my phone that I don't require now, the footage of already shot videos. So while I was doing that, I realized that I have 3 reel footage and also 2 Instagram 1-minute video footage which I didn't edit, and it took me almost 1 hour to edit that reel. I've edited a skincare reel and now it's almost 2 o'clock. I haven't taken shower, so don't judge me. Sundays are always lazy, so maybe I'll take shower around 4ish. So I had my breakfast at 12 and now it's time for my coffee. I wasn't feeling really well since yesterday, like my throat was itching a bit. So if you're following me on Instagram, you know that I put my coffee post every day, like I put a story of my coffee every day. So today I won't be having iced Americano. Today I'm thinking to have a hot one, which I don't really like because it's very hot and humid here, and drinking a hot coffee is not something that I enjoy, but because of my throat I'll do that. And also the mess that you can see in the background, these are the boxes that I kept specially for the giveaway. I am planning a big giveaway since 4 months now, but the lockdown happened and I have to postpone it. I haven't announced anyway, I'm just telling you guys here today on the vlog. So maybe a nice giveaway will be up on my YouTube and mostly on Instagram. So yeah, stay tuned, and if you're not following me on Instagram, do it right away. And now let's make some coffee. This is the halat of my bed. I haven't made my bed yet, and now let's go to kitchen. So normally I make my iced Americano with this coffee. I really love it, but since I'm not drinking the cold one, I'm thinking to make this one, which is the ID filter coffee. It is basically liquid. I just boiled some water and mixed this in that water. I will just eyeball and put the mixture in this. I like to have my coffee very strong, so I'm putting it little extra. So my coffee is all ready and I like to have few almonds along with my coffee, and this is my second meal. I'm thinking that my day in my life is converting into what I eat in my day, because there's nothing as such planned what I want to do today, and I just want to pick up the camera and just vlog my today's day, how it looks like. Now I'm thinking that I should have at least done my hair. My hair is uncombed, and normally for vlogs also people get ready, but so I wanted to keep it very real and a real day in my life. So I haven't taken shower. This is how I look, and now I'll taste the coffee. I'm not really sure how the coffee would taste because I am not a big fan of hot Americano at all. So let me take a sip of it and see how it tastes. ठीक है, but उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. Like I prefer my iced Americano like with lot of ice and super chilled. Normally at this time I sit in the bedroom, put on the AC and then enjoy my coffee. This is completely my me time. I don't sit with him. I don't watch Netflix with him at this time. Also, this room that I'm sitting in is not a bedroom. We have shifted to this bedroom since a month, I would like to say, because the AC in the other room is not working and we were trying to avoid anyone from outside to get into a house and then repair the ACs. Also from tomorrow, which is Monday, I think a lot of things are opening. We have been seeing it in news, and also gyms are opening. Gyms, theaters, malls, I think everything is opening here in Bombay. So let's see how things turn out now. So I've finished my coffee and now I'm quickly going to take shower and then I have to film today. Normally I don't film or edit on a Sunday. Like I just edit one video which needs to go up on a Monday, but otherwise I like to keep my Sunday free because I work all day long. Like there's no holiday for me, and it's been 2 months that I'm doing like that, and sometimes it gets too much. You need one day break, because I've realized that since 2 months I haven't watched TV like I used to watch Netflix a lot earlier, or any series or something, but now I don't get time. When I get up after my breakfast and everything, I am either filming or editing or researching what to film. So basically I'm working only. So I have to film a video, and I need to do that. I cannot skip it, though I want to, because I wanted to relax today. So I'll quickly show you all what I'll be filming for. So few days back I've received these products from Iced Beauty. So basically they've sent me 3 of the bullet lipsticks. I absolutely love it. If you're following me on Instagram, you have seen swatches already. The colors are beautiful, and also they've sent me one gel liner. So I need to film a video for Instagram using these products. And then I've also received these 2 products from Lotus. So I need to see what I have to do, maybe a video, or I need to click pictures for these. So this is what I'll be doing. So it will take me 2 or 3 hours at least, because I have to set up everything. I don't have a studio, or I don't have a designated place to film. I'll put up my backdrop. It takes 1 hour at least to do the entire setup and to get myself ready in terms of my hair, my skin prep, and taking shower obviously, and changing and everything. So it takes me at least 1 hour to do all of this stuff, and then I press the record button. So just I want to tell you all, if you are not a content creator, you won't really understand how much time and effort it takes for any creator, be it big or small, or any type of content that they're putting. It takes time. It takes time to research, to film, to do the setup, do the editing, and then you see a certain minutes online, maybe a picture, or maybe a 30 seconds reel, or 1 minute video, or a YouTube video. What I want to convey is that if you watch my video on Instagram or on YouTube, and if you like it tiny bit also, please hit that like button, because it really motivates a content creator to create more content, and that's how I will come to know whether you're liking it or not. Also drop a comment. I'm really trying hard to up my content game, and that's why I am posting 6 days a week on Instagram, and trying to put 2 videos at least on YouTube. It is taking up my whole day. I'm trying my best, and all I want from you guys is to subscribe to my channel, also like and comment under my videos. So it's lunchtime now, and today I have sambar and rice. I absolutely love this combination. So I'm done with my shower, and I've changed in this cute top. I really love it. The color is so pretty, and I've done my lunch also, like you must have seen in the clip, sambar and chawal. I love it, and since it was a Sunday, I thought to eat something else rather than daily ka dal chawal. So yeah, I'm all done. Now I'll do my skincare. So I would quickly like to show you all my tiny setup. So this is my background cloth. It is very basic. This is my ring light, and there I've kept all of my products. That poofy I sit, and then I have this trolley from IKEA, which is really very helpful. So this is the trolley from IKEA. Basically it's a bar trolley. I use it as my makeup and skincare. It has tires also. You can easily move it anywhere you want. Since we have shifted to this room, so I've kept all of my skincare and hair care handy here. It is looking messy, but quickly, this is all my skincare and hair care mix, and my makeup remover, and my Bioderma, and my mist, face mist, and my body mist here. This one is my favorite these days. This is from Bath and Body Works. Then yeah, this is that. And then in this section I've kept some of my makeup. This is not all of my makeup. I've kept some makeup, like I've used this makeup in my last 2 videos. I've kept it in pouch here. My lashes, some PR kit, and then again some PR kit here. Now you must be wondering, why are these clips here? So basically I use them to hang my background cloth. And then in the bottom one, got these lights. I'll be showing you all in a haul video really soon. But here again I have some parcels from the brand and I need to film video for them, so I keep them here. Basically it's very handy. I really love this trolley. And on this side I have this cabinet wherein I like to keep the products that I need to film for, and these are my brushes. Clearly they are very dirty. I need to wash them, but today I don't have time, so maybe tomorrow I'll wash them. And yeah, now I'll start with my filming. I am showing you all what I do before I start filming. So my skincare is all done. I need to straighten my hair because clearly this is not looking nice. Jewelry part, I won't be changing this neck piece. This is my most favorite one, and this is not an imitation one, this is a real diamond one, and this goes with all of my outfit. A very dainty and nice piece. And since the video is all about lipstick and its application, I something very heavy or something that attracts the attention will take the whole purpose of the video. So I'll stick to this dainty piece. And then I've also kept one pouch here in my trolley also. A few of my clips, my bracelet, and my most favorite ring. You must have seen me wearing this all the time. So this is how the ring looks like. This is the set of ring. It came like that only. You can wear it both together or individually. And I'll quickly straighten up my hair, and then I need to start filming because I have to finish the filming around 6. It's 4:30 already. I have to shoot pictures also for the Lotus Herbal and video for this one. Then we are going out on a drive. I'm really excited, and this Sunday excitement was only about this drive and going out. We have been stuck at home because of the lockdown since 2 months now, so I need to quickly wind it up. I have just 1.5 hours with me. I'll just quickly do my filming part and I'll catch you in a bit. So I did my foundation and my eyebrows, and then I realized that my upper lips and eyebrow hair was looking too bad on camera. So I quickly shaved it after putting my foundation. So I quickly wanted to share it with you all, like behind the scenes of filming. When you put on the camera, you see yourself, and then if your eyebrows are not done and they are very bushy, you'll see very, darkness here, and it was looking very weird. In my last few pictures and videos, all of you really liked the look because of that plum lipstick, and also I was wearing lens. But if you really notice, my eyebrows were looking so pathetic, and I was contemplating whether to put it or not just because of the eyebrows. And you guys seem to love it, and thank you so much for that. But I wanted to share it with you all. So I did my shaving thing, and then again with the foundation brush I just dab it like this, so that foundation जो निकल गया है वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ठीक हो जाए. I haven't set my face because I have to apply lipstick on my cheeks and my eyes. Like I have to show, basically I'll tell you what I'm doing with these lipsticks. I have to show in how many different ways I can use this lipstick. So I'll use it as a blush, as an eyeshadow, and also on my lips. So that's why I just done the foundation part and not set it. And before it start creasing, I should stop the vlog and start filming. आज सब कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है. I completely forgot to straighten up my hair, and I was about to start, and then I realized my hair is not looking the way it should be. So my hair is very thin, and I'll be done with my straightening just in a minute. And today I'll be using this serum. Again, I got it from the brand Smay Keratin Smooth Hair Serum. It will also control frizziness. Since it's very hot and humid, my hair has gone so frizzy, and I struggle hard to just tame it down with different products that I use. So I'm applying it before my straightening. Also, it will act as a heat protectant. See, my hair is so thin and they're already straight, so straightening में ज़्यादा time नहीं लगेगा. My iron is all hot, and now I'll just straighten it. I just do it 3-4 times and my hair is manageably straight, like you can see. इतना ही मुझे difference चाहिए. So I'm all done with my filming. I've also clicked pictures. That took me 1 hour. So my pictures really don't end up looking that nice. So I mostly try to film videos because that works better for me as well as for you guys also, because you can learn something from my videos. And for pictures, I'm really bad. So it took me 1 hour to click picture for Lotus Herbal. And this is the look that I've created with Iced Beauty products. So I'll quickly wind up. I'll put everything back, and then we are going for our coffee date, and I know it's little late. If you can see, it's 5:59. I wind it up on time, but I think we'll take next 20 minutes to leave the house. So this is the behind the scenes for clicking this picture. So this is my bathrobe, which I've taken as a background, and these are some random flowers, my hair clips, and these are the products. So yeah, basically this is the jugaad that I have done for this picture. It's almost 7 in the evening and we are very late, so we are going on a small drive, like just a 5 or 10 minutes drive. We are going to Starbucks. Basically we'll have a coffee and maybe we'll grab a sandwich because we haven't had anything at 6 o'clock, so we are very hungry. So we've reached Starbucks and he has gone to ask them because the shutter is down. But I've seen people standing here in a queue to get the orders. I think you can go and take your delivery. If not, then we'll be ordering online because that's what our Sunday plan was. A small drive in Starbucks. So let's see. So apparently we cannot go and order. So that's a bit bummer. We have ordered food from Swiggy. So we are outside Starbucks only, but a Swiggy guy will deliver it to us. The guy at the Starbucks, he said that they are not giving it to others other than the Zomato and Swiggy guy. And from tomorrow, a lot of places are opening up, I think till 2 or 3 o'clock. So all of these restaurants and salons and I think mall also, everything is opening from tomorrow. Thank you. So our order is here and I'm all ready to eat. I have ordered a tomato basil sandwich for myself, which I absolutely love, and he has called for egg or ham croissant, and I've called for 1 cappuccino, a medium size, and this is how it looks. It is so tempting, so delicious. So after that long Starbucks session, we have come to an ATM and now we'll quickly go home. I need to use the washroom, and by the way, I ordered such a big coffee. I've already had 1 coffee in the afternoon, you must have seen already. Tomorrow we both have to get up early and I have no clue whether I'll get sleep or not, because after having coffee late, like whenever I have coffee after 5ish, I have a serious problem of not sleeping. So let's see how it works, because tomorrow we have to get up by 7:30. Now a lot of you must be wondering, 7:30 to theek time hai, but for us we get up at 10:30. That's the routine that we're following. We get up at 10:30 and mostly we sleep around 3. So I know it's not a good routine, but since we have work tomorrow, we have to get up. We both are freaking out because he sleeps very late, and because of him I also sleep late, and then I do my editing late in night. So let's see how it works. Also, I was supposed to get my nail fixed. This one is already broken, and can you see how much they have grown? So my appointment was for today and I was getting home service done, but then I got a call and everything is getting open from tomorrow. So I have an appointment for tomorrow 11 o'clock and I'm super excited. If you know me personally, you know how much I love getting extensions done, and I get different designs. I love it, and I have a design in mind and I'm super excited to get it done. Now we'll quickly go home, change the car, and we'll go to return the weights. So he has taken weights from his place, like where he used to work out earlier, for 2 months. Now 2 months ka lockdown is over, and from tomorrow gyms and everything is getting open. So now they want their weights back. We took them on rent and we have to return them back, so we'll go there. और मुझे लगता है कॉफ़ी ख़त्म ही नहीं होने वाली है, बहुत सारी है. बट दो आई लव कॉफ़ी, आई फिनिश इट ऑफ. बट वही सोने का पंगा है. सोने का मुझे सोच के ही डर लग रहा है. आई हैव टू एडिट टुमारोज वीडियो फॉर इंस्टाग्राम, 1 मिनट वीडियो जो मैंने दिखाई थी आइस्ट ब्यूटी के लिए, जो मैंने शूट किया है. आई हैव टू एडिट दैट. Also I have to put 1-2 stories. Also I'll see the footage of this vlog. अगर थोड़ी ठीक लगा मुझे flow में है then I'll edit and upload it. तो आप देख रहे होंगे ये vlog. अगर नहीं तो I'll just delete all of the clips. So we are here to return the weights, and I hope you can see here, like we have rods, we also have some weights at the back. So he has gone up with some weights, and that guy is not picking up the call who is supposed to pick the weights up from a car. So it's gone up, so he'll come back with that guy, he'll take all the weights up. And we were just discussing like how we both are freaking out to get up early. Like getting up early is something that we have not been doing for, I would say, 5 months now. So that's why we're not in a habit, and we both are freaking out. Like few minutes back only he was saying ki how we will get up tomorrow, and I was like, we have to, I'll put an alarm, don't worry. So yeah, keeping my fingers crossed. And the coffee that I had has definitely charged me up. I'll quickly finish some editing as soon as I reach back home, and then we'll prepare for some dinner. Though we are not that hungry, maybe I'll have a fruit and then some dinner, like let's see. So it's been 15-20 minutes that we are back home, and now I'm editing my tomorrow's Instagram video. It will take me an hour's time. I'm just timing that I should finish it in 1 hour, and then I'll have probably dinner. Let's see, we're not hungry right now. So he's watching Netflix and I'll do my editing, and I'll also show you all what I'm eating in a dinner. It's a really interesting recipe. So I'm done editing my video for tomorrow for Instagram. It took me an hour and a half to complete, to finish the editing, and it is a simple video in terms of editing, but still it takes an hour and a half at least. And that's why I say content creation is not easy. It takes up a lot of time, and if you can just like a video, a photo, or whatever you see online of a content creator, if you like it tiny bit also, always give it a like. If you can comment also, it really motivates a content creator. Having said that, it's almost 11:13, and we were supposed to sleep by 12, but we will have dinner now. We haven't had a dinner. I know it's very late, but normally also we eat at this time only. So I'll quickly go and make the dinner. First I have to take off this makeup. So for that I have my moving skincare trolley with me. I'll place you somewhere here and quickly take off my makeup. Now for dinner I have everything almost made by my house help. I cannot really work in kitchen. I feel very hot and I get very irritated while working in kitchen because of that heat. So I'll quickly take off this makeup because थोड़ा सा भी जो मुझे करना है किचन में उसमें भी I cannot really stand. I have to take off this makeup, and also it's been few hours that I have makeup on. I think getting up tomorrow early will set a routine somehow, because then tomorrow by evening only we'll feel very sleepy, and we will sleep on time. I think my most favorite Bioderma to take off the makeup. It's so easy with this product, and I've been using this for, I don't even remember, 7 years. I think, yeah, 7 or 8 years now. Now my face is all clean. I'll quickly wash my face just with water, and once my dinner and everything is done, then I'll wash my face with face wash, do my nighttime skincare routine, and then we'll go to bed. So for dinner, this is what we have been loving these days, and these are chopped veggies, boiled chicken, boiled eggs, some roti cut into noodles, and I'm just tossing all the veggies in the pan. This one is mine. I'm adding Szechuan sauce, roti and eggs. For him it is chicken and boiled eggs, and this is how it looks. Super tasty, very amazing, yet very healthy. I would highly recommend you all to give this recipe a try. Now it's time for skincare, and these are the products that I'm using currently for my nighttime skincare routine. So it's been almost 40 minutes that my dinner is done, and I've also done my nighttime skincare routine. I use a lot of products at night because I have few medicated creams also that I put. I have some skin issues. It's almost 12:22, and I'll watch 1 or 2 YouTube video. Without that I cannot sleep. So I'll watch few videos and then I'll go to sleep. Mostly by 1 o'clock I'll try to sleep. And yeah, that's all about today's vlog. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. It wasn't very fancy vlog, I know, but I wanted to keep it real and very unfiltered and raw. So whatever happened throughout my day, I took you along, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, give it a like. Do subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, and I shall see you all really soon with the next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.